Hey guys, Mopar fam here, and today I'm painting my brake calipers. I have stock Brembo brakes on my Scat Pack, and me and my dad are going to be painting them blue to match the car. For this job, we'll be using the G2 Caliper Paint system from Amazon, which I'll link in the description. Once you get it, just follow the instructions and get the paint nice and mixed up. Now keep in mind this paint will cure in about 4 to 6 hours, so make sure you do all your calipers in one go. Now the painting process is real simple. All you have to do is jack up the car and take the wheels off. Once you do that, clean the brakes with the brake cleaner you get from the paint kit. And just like that, you're ready to start painting. Don't worry about being perfect, just get the paint on the entire caliper, and make sure you get all the way to the back because you can see these parts, even after the tire is put back on. Don't be afraid to put on more than one coat, since there's plenty of paint. We were able to do 2 to 3 coats on all 4 calipers and still had some to spare. Once they're looking good, you are done. Just wait a few minutes before putting the tires back on and you're all set.